Let's be honest. Were you cheating on me? Or do I just have iron blue bloodstains on me? Oh, Edward, you never got the baby. Everybody says. Right, get it from the start. Everybody knows I got the baby in me. Oh, let's look at the sky. The werewolves might be going. So pretty. Even prettier.